Okay, guys, we're at a place called Calabria, Brick Oven Pizzeria. Now, just to let you know, this used to be Pitchfork Pizza, which was very expensive. It was in Goodlettsville. Still is, this place. But it just wasn't that good. That's probably why it went under. So anyway, we're going to try this place, see if it's the same crap pizza. I don't believe it was Brick Oven Pizza, so this probably isn't the same pizza. But we will find out. Let's check it out. We are in, I believe we're in Goodlettsville. This place looks way better. I'm liking the look. We're just going to go to this table right here. Here, nice looking menu, a lot of things. There, look at all these pizzas. You can order from a whole list of their pizzas. Wow. Oh, calzones. This is a drink area.
They're holding a whole bar.
Okay. Looks like they got full-size bar, right?
Yeah.
So the first thing I noticed was the cheese and the red peppers are on the table already. And that I love. I think all Italian restaurants and pizza places should have that. Now, Jack Jr. makes some of the best bruschetta I've ever tasted. So Brianna's a professional at bruschetta tasting, or some people say bruschetta.
It's really good. It's got really, really fresh flavor. You can tell everything was like just made, but Jack does make better bruschetta.
Oh, he does?
Yes.
Okay, good. That's good. I'll keep that in. Okay, and then how's my look here? It's a little shadowy in here. You liking yours? Can you guys taste the balsamic vinegar? Sweet? Good? So, that's amazing. Oh, hold on. Do the roll fry. That is the pepperoni calzone. And the bread is thin and very crispy. Almost like pizza crust. It looks exactly like the pizza crust they have here. Wow, real good.
The pizza crust is really thin and nice.
You like it?
It's really good.
Okay, so we're all loading up in the car right now. It's a little chilly still. It's not really spring yet, but it is. Things are blooming, but the chill's still in the air. What's the temperature outside, do we know?
Freezing.
There we go. That's official, by the way. 50 degrees. Okay, so and it's either Calabria or Calabria, and I didn't ask him how to pronounce it, but I have to tell you, Brianna had commented at the table that it's been some of the best pizza she's had in a minute. So that's a big deal. I have to say it's probably the number one pizza place in Sumner County. Nashville would be 5 points still, but this is some good stuff. This ain't the old place. This ain't that Pitchfork Pizza place that bombed. Well, I don't mean to say it bombed. It did very well, but it went under, unfortunately. But this place is rocking. There's another location in Mount Juliet. They love it out there. The tiramisu was okay, a little lacking. Not quite. We've had other tiramisus at other Italian restaurants, but it's not a dessert place. But they do have tiramisu if you like tiramisu. The calzones could be a little bit more filled, but were delicious. Very thin crust on the calzones. It was interesting. The pizza was amazing. Everything was great. The staff was friendly. The design of the restaurant was beautiful. I hope they do really well here. I think this is my new go-to pizza place. All right, guys, I give this place a definite A, and congratulations, you guys got a good thing going on.